Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make nice sketches. To begin, gather your essential tools, such as a variety of graphite pencils, good quality paper, and a kneaded eraser. Find a comfortable, well-lit space where you can focus without distractions. Start by practicing basic shapes like circles, squares, and triangles to develop your hand-eye coordination and control. This foundational practice is crucial for more complex drawings. Once you have your tools, focus on mastering basic techniques. Experiment with varying line weights, from light to dark, to add dimension. Learn fundamental shading methods like cross-hatching and stippling to create texture and form. Understanding one-point and two-point perspective will help you achieve realistic depth. Always use light construction lines first to establish your subject's proportions. Now, let's refine your sketch by adding detail and form. Transform your basic shapes into more intricate objects, paying close attention to their unique characteristics. Establish a consistent light source to accurately render shadows and highlights, giving your drawing a three-dimensional appearance. Observe and replicate the textures of your subject, whether it's smooth metal or rough fabric, to enhance realism. Finally, take time to review and refine your work. Step back from your drawing to gain a fresh perspective, allowing you to spot any inconsistencies or areas needing adjustment. Use your eraser to lighten or remove unwanted lines and your pencils to strengthen others. Remember, consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes daily, is the most effective way to continuously improve your sketching abilities.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.